back to another video with yours truly, Ryan of All Trades. And for those of you that had contacted me about my last video about you guys not being able to hear me, I realized that my settings for OBS Studio was not to where it was supposed to be, and I I had to tweak it. So I think now you are all able to hear me. Hopefully, once I upload this video, and just let me know in the comments below. But yeah. So welcome back to another video with yours truly, Lion of All Trades. And here, before I start with this video, just to let you know, as usual, that anything that's being said here is just strictly in my opinion, and that this is not financial advice. This is just for educational and entertainment purposes only. You're your own decision maker of your own money and your investments, as long as you're trading safely and you know your limits. But yeah, with that being said, we're looking at ticker symbol BNED, Barnes and Noble, and last time we checked, we know that it's um, it's a reverse stock split that's happening tomorrow, 100 to 1, and also um, for those of you that been watching, um, there's something wrong, and this caught my attention because it just wasn't usual to see um, a stock just halt out of nowhere and so early in the market day, specifically at approximately 10:24 Eastern time in the morning, and that caught everybody's attention and just wondering why it was halted. There was no notice or anything like that at all. Usually, when there's an impending reverse stock split, the day afterwards, I mean the day before it happens, we usually have a regular day of trading, from pre-market till the end of aftermarket hours. And if you want to take for an example, and this is one of the other stocks that I've been talking about before for just a temporary amount of time, Miss Pegy. Miss Pegy here also, which I actually did not know yesterday, that it's also implementing a reverse stock split of 15 to 1 tomorrow, the same day as uh, Barnes and Noble. So here you can see on your left side of the screen, top left side, you're dated June 12th, one for 15, and then Barnes and Noble right here, dated tomorrow, one for 100. So Pegy definitely had a full day of trading from pre-market to the end of aftermarket hours, and you can see here for Pegy, it was down almost 12%. So this is pretty much obviously the reaction to reverse stock split, and some investors, in my opinion, they don't want to deal with that, so they just tend to sell out of the stock. And you can see here also on the time and sales here, a lot of orders here, and big orders, chunks, 20K, 25K, 15K. Look at that, 50K. Sell orders here, time and sales. So your guess is as good as mine. That's how some people feel. So they do what they do, and based on their decision. But this this was normal. What happened to Barnes and Noble, this is not normal at all. And I think you guys could agree with me, because why would it all of a sudden just halt so early in market hours at 10:24 in the morning? So there's going to be a lot of speculation out there. I haven't really digged deep into it. I mean, there's a lot going on you know on the boards and on Twitter. So if you look up dollar sign BNED on Twitter, I'm pretty sure you're gonna find some interesting things there posted. But one thing that I also found out, it was just I was just literally looking at Twitter too as well. So here, Meta News, apparently MMTLP halt part 2. Um, I'm sorry, but this wasn't a U3 halt. It would say it on the Nasdaq website. I forgot what site it is. It actually tells you what kind of halt it is, but you guys do your own research. Um, but one thing that I realized here is that there was no data since the 24th of May, but now all of a sudden, today's trading, just about 12 hours ago, data just came out, and with short shares available of 8,400,000, um, this is weird though. So I'm gonna go to Chart Exchange. Where is it? I'm gonna go to chartexchange.com, so you get a better idea. So literally here now you can see as I zoom in that here as of 9:30 in the morning, 5 seconds after market open, data came in. Data came in. So you see the last time there was any data on the cost of borrow fees and the shares available to borrow. May 24th, it was 86.37% on cost of borrow fees and only 100,000 shares left available to borrow. Then you see here at 9:30 in the morning today, with a whopping 221,000 0.31 percent, 221.31% cost of borrow fees. So this thing really jumped up really high. So it got really expensive. But then there was 8.4 million shares available to borrow. Then it dropped to 350,000 along the way, with the latest cost of borrow fee at 202.32 percent. So yeah, so that being said, that caught my attention and that was interesting. So I don't know what could happen during open. Um, this could probably do something random that we don't expect once pre-market happens tomorrow. Well, pre-market opens for Barnes and Noble stock, and we could be seeing a lot of volatility for sure. But this, to me, this is just my opinion, of course, and you let me know as well in the comment section below that this to me was just a little bit sus for it to just halt in the morning and still have all this time in the market day to trade and after hours, just like Pegy did today. So yeah, makes no sense to me. Other than that, just in the technical standpoint of things, here in the hourly and everything, this was a crazy setup, nasty setup here, and pretty much at a new all time low at 9 cents. So once when it's converted 1 to 100, I think that's gonna be like $9, and then from there, let's see what happens. So, but yeah, that's your little update overview of Barnes and Noble stock, Bned, some little Pegy too as well, but Pegy to me is I don't know. But anyways, like this video, show some love. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for the support too as well from everybody that watches me. And we'll see you in the next video with yours truly, Lionel Trades. Take care of yourself. Be safe in your trades. Tomorrow, FOMC interest rate decision too as well at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So prepare yourselves and watch out for that. Anyways, take care and have a good night. Peace out.